Every car has a story.
In the year 1908, Henry Ford introduced the Model T, a motor car built not for the wealthy, but for ordinary people. As it stood on dusty roads beneath the morning sun, its brass lamps and sturdy wheels reflected a new future. Inside Ford's factories, workers assembled each car by hand, as the moving assembly line changed manufacturing forever. Within the cabin, simple leather seats, a wooden steering wheel, and a basic dashboard showed a design focused on function, not luxury. Strong wheels carried families across farms and towns, bringing freedom where distance once ruled. Communities grew closer, travel became easier, and opportunity reached further than ever before. The Model T did more than create a car. It created a world on the move. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to the channel for more informative content and join us as we explore history, cars, and technology.